Hello everyone, myself Priya and I'm studying in first year EC branch. My startup company name is CWS Production. Product present name perfume. Product proposal name futuristic perfumery. Empathizing stage mentioning some of the requirement and feeling about the product as said by the customers during the empathizing activity. First with pleasant odor with many fragrance. Second when we apply the perfumes it shouldn't leave mark. Define stage based on the empathizing stage and considering the feelings and requirements of customers. Many new features are added to the existing product. Existing product name perfume, futuristic product name futuristic perfumery. Ideate stage. Some of the additional features to be added are mentioned here. First, advancement in fragrance technology could lead to the development of long-lasting non-allergenic perfumes. Second, scents tailored to specific occasions or environments, and when we apply perfumes, it shouldn't leave mark. Third, perfumes that change their scent profile based on their various body temperature or the ambient temperature, providing a dynamic fragrance experience. Fourth, focus on sustainable sourcing of ingredients, eco-friendly packaging. Prototype. In prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured. Due to time constraint, the mentor advises to draw the sketch. The sketch is given below. Testing. I request the viewers of this presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.